Hello guys, welcome to Babs Voice YouTube channel. My name is Michael. Today we are going fishing and crab hunting. So I have to get a stick to set off my fishing rod. Hopefully I can catch something here. The water pass from here. Yeah, I came through here and I think this will be our best spot to set our fishing rod. And this is our thread. And we have our hook here too. So now that we have set up our rod, we have to get a bait and we'll be using a worm to set our bait. So we just set our rod, and I'm already seeing some movement here. So we use the minutes to go and see if we can catch some crab. Crabs are very smart. I'll be doing this thing for over 20 minutes. And the crab is there. Let's go check our bait. Oof. Couldn't catch any fish too. But thank God I brought something else to cook. So let's get the fire going.
Dust on my boots from the county road, jars on the shelf, and the porch screen slow. You met me there with a mason jar grin, sun on your hands, and a little rain in. And I knew then, by the way you stood, you felt like home in the old pine wood. Keep that porch light on. Keep that porch light on. I'm coming back to you before the night is gone. Keep that porch light on. Keep that porch light on. Your name in my chest, like a hand-me-down song. Friday came hard with the working dust. I drove past the fields just to shake it off. You sent one line saying supper's ready, black-eyed peas on the stove, and the table set steady. My tired old heart found a softer beat when your front door creaked and you smiled at me. Keep that porch light on. Keep that porch light on. I'm coming back to you before the night is gone. Keep that porch light on. Keep that porch light on. Your name in my chest, like a hand-me-down song. There's a screen door song in a dog out back, bare feet on the boards and a worn out track. If the whole wide world gets too loud and cold, I'll follow that glow like a place I know. Keep that porch light on. Keep that porch light on. I'm coming back to you before the night is gone. Keep that porch light on. Keep that porch light on. Your name in my chest like a hand-me-down song. Keep that porch light on. Keep that porch light on. Right where I belong, in your quiet arms.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want more of this video, don't forget to subscribe and watch out for more video. Thank you.